we're down 80%.
It should be the busiest time of year here at the Calgary International Airport. But instead of the hustle and bustle of travelers trying to get to their destinations, it looks a lot more like this. But for those who are still heading to YYC during the holiday rush, they have put in place new COVID-19 health measures to keep everyone safe.
So much has changed because of the pandemic.
Reed Feist with the Calgary Airport Authority says despite traffic being down, they're still suggesting you add an extra 30 minutes on top of the guidelines given by your airline to allow time for all the extra health guidelines to follow.
That includes enhanced cleaning, hand sanitizer everywhere, physical distancing markers, and that requirement, of course, to have a mask on at all times while in the terminal. And then our partners with the airlines and with CATSA obviously have enhanced screening questions when it comes to COVID. There's also temperature screening that people may not have been used to doing.
Also expect changes to eating and shopping options.
All of our partners are abiding by all of the enhanced restrictions now in place. So no sit-in dining and capacity restraints.
If you are picking up or dropping off loved ones, curbside pickup is recommended to limit the number of people going in and out of the building.
Please do not leave luggage unattended.
Over the years working with City News, I've covered the holiday rush here at the Calgary Airport a dozen times, and I've never seen it this quiet. In fact, the only way you know it's Christmas time around here, well, is the giant Christmas trees.
Well, it's definitely a quieter airport, and we've seen that since April. And you know, for us who work at the airport, obviously we get a lot of energy about during some of these traditionally big travel volume times.
In Calgary, Nick Blakeney, City.
The mayor was asked about COVID-19 concerns with more people coming through the airport. He reminds both international and domestic travelers to follow the rules.
If you are coming in from other parts of Canada, I ask you to abide by the city's rules as best you can, by the province's rules, I should have said, as best you can, and let's keep everybody safe as much as we can. And yes, ski hills are indeed open, but that is not an excuse to have big parties and gatherings with people you don't know.